Welcome to our tutorial on how to access the owner's report for quick service restaurants in Docyt. Let's begin. First, log into your Docyt account. Next, go to the top navigation menu and select Business Reports from the drop-down menu. Now, in the subsequent menu, choose Management Reports. On the Management Reports page, locate and click on the Owner's Report option to access the report. To customize the report parameters, such as selecting the desired time period and revenue sources, navigate to the customization options. Now you can review the detailed results to gain valuable insights into revenue performance and financial accuracy. Congratulations! You've successfully accessed and customized the owner's report for quick service restaurants in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.